Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This little guy's back. If you remember, this is the little 650 that I rebuilt, did a little in-frame rebuild on, and it's got some hydraulic problems now. So we're going to check into that. There it goes. Let's tear down! Alright, so first thing I'm going to show y'all what it's doing. Alright. Okay, so here's what the lift is doing. Right now, it's picking up. I let it down. Try to pick up again. It is struggling. And if you remember before, this thing would pick this bush hog right here, this 5-footer up without a single problem. So we're gonna look at it, see if we can figure out what's going on. See there? And it leaks down. It'll re-level. Let's see if it'll re-level. Nope, it won't even re-level. So let's check it out and see if we can find the problem. It is struggling. So the first thing I'm gonna check, let's see where we're at on fluid. Let's see. Ooh boy, that's slightly overfilled. You see where that's at, and the fluid's about 1.5 inches down in there. So that's definitely overfilled. And I'm wondering if our screen, if our pickup, which should be right there, right here, I guess our screen is gonna be somewhere back in there. Where are you going, little guy? That's our pressure, that's our return. I'm not sure right where the screen is on this. It may be in here behind that. I don't know. We'll get into it and see if we can figure out where the filter / screen is and go from there. Alright, so after some more Google searching, because again, I don't have a shop manual, this is where they're showing the filter being. So, we are going to drop or pull this plug right here out and see if there's a filter behind it like they're showing. I'm still concerned because I can feel a screen on that other side and there's no fluid draining out over there, and that is the suction side for the pump. So we're gonna pull this plug. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. So let's see about getting this little fella out. What did I do? Oh, that socket, there he is. In Japanese, it's 10 millimeter. All right. So this thing should have started pouring fluid out of there, I would think. And it did not. So we got ourselves a little problem there, I'm gonna say. Because that should have rendered a lot of fluid, considering this thing is massively overfilled. So when I tap this housing loose, I expect to spill copious amounts of fluid all over the place. Just my guess. There it goes. Now see there? That's what I'm talking about. We got a major problem right there. Well, let's just let that drain for a minute. That should have been coming out of that drain. It's this. I'm not gassy. It's this. Yeah, that started getting some air on the other side too. So I'm thinking our strainer is forever more stopped up. Yeah. But why? Why is it stopped up? We're gonna let that fluid drain. I'm gonna check my messages on my phone from my pretty little wife, and I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. All right, peeps and peoples. I'm gonna put me on some of my old orange gloves since I just got done wiping my hands down. Hammer on it with your 4-cylinder out there. Sounding mean. 87 horsepower, getting it done. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm gonna say that was our problem. Oh boy. That's a little clogged up right there. Can we get it out of there? Oh boy. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's a little bit of a problem. Let's see if we can clean that up a grunt. We're definitely gonna have to fix that old strainer. Awesome. Thanks, Charlie. Charlie just looked me in the face. Thanks, buddy. You're a good dog. Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks, guy. All right, so we have cleaned this filter up immensely. We are gonna get a new one, but I am in the troubleshooting mode and I want to know what's going on. Another thing that I found is, you see this gray sticky primer crap. That tells me that somebody has been in here before. So we're gonna stick this in, cap it back off, and add some fluid to it and see what we get. And once I get all of this reinstalled, I'll bring you guys back in and let's see if the lift works. All right, let's see what we got now. Moment of truth. Oh, yeah, it wouldn't even come close to that a while ago. Now it is re-leveling. She's got a little re-leveling issue, but it's not that bad. I think a new filter and we'll be good to go. Sweet.